Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to pin this PC to taskbar in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to the YouTube description. In description, I give this text or command, copy this text. Select this text and copy it from the YouTube description. Go to the desktop, right click on the desktop. Here we find show more options. Click on show more options. It is a new options from the Windows 11. Here go to the new and find shortcut or find shortcut at here. In new update we find shortcut at here. Go to the here shortcut. Click on shortcut and paste at here. Ctrl P or paste our copy text and click on the next. Here give any name. I give the my PC. You can give any name. Click on finish. Now our shortcut is created and we want to change icon of this shortcut. That is very easy. Right click on it. Click on properties. In properties, here we find change icons. Click on change icon and here change it to imageres.dll. Type imagery.dll. DLL. I give this also in the YouTube description and hit enter key on your keyboard. Then you can find many icons. You can choose any icon that you want. I choose this icon or I go to this icon. Click on OK. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now our my PC shortcut icon is changed. Right click on once again. Go to the show more options and this time we find pin to taskbar. Click on the pin to taskbar. And here we find our PC, this PC icon, my PC. Click on this PC. And here we find our this PC is automatically open from our taskbar. So guys, this is the simplest way to pin this PC to taskbar in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.